So this is good and bad for XRP, depending on how you're looking at it. So this real world assets tokenization firm called ELYSIA have basically debuted a way to tokenize treasury bills in the United States on the XRP Ledger. Now, the good part of that, of course, is first of all, it brings attention to the XRP Ledger as a real world asset tokenization platform, and the premium one at that. So that's good. What that's also going to do is people who are interested in both crypto and T-bills are going to gravitate towards XRP. So we might find a situation where someone decides to buy some XRP and then quote unquote stake the XRP for treasury bills. If they're going to buy the treasury bills anyway, why not kill two birds with one stone? So that's two things. The third thing, of course, is that it brings utility to the XRP Ledger. More utility, more activity, gas fee paid in XRP, price go up. Okay, so those are the three major good things about this particular situation. But this video is not about the positives. It's in fact about the negatives of this and why I personally won't be participating in this. The major issue with this is that, of course, as you guys probably already know, XRP Ledger itself does not have a native staking mechanism. So whatever is happening here is some kind of third-party off-ledger agreement with a company, right, that you may or may not be comfortable with. Now, prior to this, even though these guys are quite a massive firm in the United States, I had never heard of them, if I'm being honest. I've heard of them for the first time in the last few days when I discovered this article about them tokenizing T-bills on the XRP Ledger. Now, because the XRP Ledger itself doesn't have a staking mechanism, you are introducing a third party, which is this firm, basically in sitting between you and your XRP yields. Now, when the automatic market maker engine kicks off, that's going to be something native to XRP, something permissionless, no middleman. You put your XRP in, profits come out on the other side, right? That's something that we've been waiting for. We know it's coming, and it's going to serve the XRP community massively as a source of passive income going into the future, especially those that intend to hold XRP for decades to come, right? But yes, this is an interesting solution. This is an interesting development, and it does bring eyeballs to the XRP Ledger and XRP platform. It puts XRP in the news, makes more people aware of it. So for that, we're eternally grateful, probably. But in terms of the actual technical details, I'm not 100% happy, with participating in this. I'm not saying that it's a bad thing. I'm sure that a lot of people are going to participate in this and, make yields, what have you. But if you compare traditional yields, like what happens in treasury bills, bonds, etc., and the small percentages that you can get in those yields, I don't think that staking, quote unquote, again, your XRP, the risks that come with staking XRP in such a system, I think the risks are too high for this kind of gains, right? Now, if you were saying the gains were something like, 20 something percent, 30% or something like that we're used to in crypto, then some people might be able to risk that, thinking, well, at least in a few years, the yields from the XRP would allow me to de-risk completely, as you would basically make back more than you put in already. But at 4%, 2%, 3%, or whatever it is, who knows, right? Also, it depends on the US economy, which of course we know can go up and down depending on, who's in power, what the Fed does, etc. So that's relinking your financial freedom. You're supposed to be decoupling from the US economy, coupling from the dollar. Now you're relinking your XRP back to the economy of the United States, back to the US dollar, back to the whims of the Fed. So that's a kind of a step backwards from my point of view if you already hold XRP. Now, if you're going to buy new XRP just for this purpose, then that's something completely different. And I think we're going to see a lot of people doing that. A lot of firms, a lot of bigger financial houses that, are going to be buying treasury bills and holding XRP simultaneously so they can kill two birds with one stone. But if you're someone who is in the XRP army, who has a 7-year-old bag, 6-year-old bag, a 5-year-old bag, this is a step backwards, in my opinion. Not financial advice. Of course, do your own research. Another thing, like if you pay a little bit of an attention to, what's happening here, it reminds me of what we call here in the UK the 363 system. So 363 is what the banks do over here. So it's a kind of an analogy, all right? So you basically give them your money and they pay you 3%, then loan out your money to somebody else for 6%, and then their day's over at 3 p.m. So it's 363. So what that means is the banks take your money, loan that same money out to other people at a higher interest. So basically they're monetizing your money, and then that's all they have to do. You provide the capital, they take profits from your capital, and then, that's it. They don't do anything else, right? So this firm, ELYSIA, this is effectively what's happening here. They're taking your XRP, effectively you're loaning XRP to ELYSIA at whatever the yield percentage is, which again isn't set in stone. I'm not saying that this is what they're doing. I have no actual evidence of this, but in essence, what they're going to be doing is loaning out or investing your XRP to make profits, a higher percentage than whatever your yield is. And that's it. So what they're doing is they're harnessing XRP from people who hold XRP so that they can use your XRP to invest in the markets and make money for themselves and then pay you a small amount of it. Now, in this day and age, with the financial systems that we have, with DeFi and other opportunities, you can vastly outperform that. Not financial advice, do your own research, but you can vastly outperform any of that stuff by doing a little bit of research yourself, learning the system, looking at your various DeFi opportunities, or basically just hodl and do nothing, because where XRP is going, you're not going to need any of these little yields here and there. All you have to do basically is nothing at the moment, no financial advice, do your own research, and just wait for the glory days which are coming imminently. I might make another video about what people are saying about what's going to happen with the price of XRP in the coming weeks. But as far as this video is concerned, I think that all of these services that you're going to start seeing popping up all over the place, trying to get you to release your XRP in one way or the other, either you loan to them, give to them, buy their product. XRP is very, very precious. All right. It's very, very precious, especially if you've held it for so long. Why is it now everybody wants your XRP? Everybody wants you to stake your XRP with them. Everybody wants to host your XRP for you. It's like you've managed to host it for 5 years, 6 years by yourself. Why would you not be able to do that now? Why suddenly you have to stake it with someone, give it to someone, pass it by someone's system? All you have to do is what you've done this whole time, which is absolutely nothing. Just sit on it, okay, and just watch the price go up. Now you're going to see people again, probably even in the comment section of this video, they're going to laugh. They're going to go, this is BS. This is not going to happen. This is the same laughter that we heard just a month ago before we did a massive 5x. Now market is moving sideways. People have had some time to experience a little bit of FUD. Because when the euphoria kicks in and the price is going up, you don't have time to listen to FUD. The FUD news doesn't make it anywhere near the top of, doesn't make it to the top of social media. When we're a little bit quiet and things are moving sideways, that's when you're going to hear the FUD, you hear the laughter, the jest. Who's making fun of XRP at $2.45? Anytime from now, all we need is one pump day and we will be at all-time highs and effectively in price discovery. When that's going to happen, who knows? But it could be a week, it could be a day, it could happen today, who knows? Bitcoin has made a massive move today, which I wasn't expecting. So once Bitcoin finishes doing its up pump, the top 10 are going to respond. So you're going to get Ethereum make a little bit of a move, Cardano, blah, 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 blah. They're all going to make a little move. And once that little move starts, that could kick off some irrational FOMO. Who knows where it's going to go? Also, we're going to hear Jerome Powell say his piece. This might be a negative or positive thing. Who knows? Again, Christmas time, this festive period, very calm, very cool. People are preoccupied with buying presents and, family time, etc. But also, there are financial institutions that are winding down for the year. They have to close out their annual trades or, tweak their portfolios for tax purposes. So there's some interesting movement and action coming from there. And who knows who's been looking at XRP to do something before the tax year is over. So there's a lot happening. Don't fall for all these people trying to get you to do things with your XRP, to host your XRP, to put XRP away in some crazy vault or whatever it is. Imagine you lock up your XRP in some sort of stake. When can you unstake at will? I don't know. You lock up your XRP in some place where you can't unstake it, and then XRP suddenly moons to like $10, right? And then you can't do anything. Your XRP is stuck and locked for 3 months or whatever. Be careful, all right? No financial advice, do your own research. The days are coming. Just relax, enjoy the time, enjoy the pump, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.